What's up, Jalians? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pumpkin spice fall glam look for the holidays. You know, something you can wear to Thanksgiving or any little harvest festivities you have going on. But I'm starting out with the Real Techniques definer brush, and I'm just going to be priming my lids with the Anastasia concealer shade in Banana. I apologize if y'all hear some planes. We live like not too far from the airport, so yeah. But I'm just setting my base with the Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going in with the Venus 2 palette for today. Let's get that open for you guys, show you what the colors look like, rip off the film, all that good old stuff. Alright, so for today we're going to be using Mustard, Mud, Jam, Fly, and maybe Pigeon. I wasn't sure yet. But I'm just starting off with Mustard in the crease with a BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm just going to build this up to my liking. It's a really nice transitional shade. I would have to say that the Mustard was the color that drew me in the very first time I saw this palette a few years back. Yeah. But I'm just going to do that for both eyes. And now I'm going in with the M518 by Morphe and taking the color Mud in the crease, just under that transition shade. And these colors were very easy to blend without getting muddy, so A+ on that, lime crime. Alright, now I'm just going to go back in with Mustard to buff out those edges, get that yellow back popping in the crease for a nice gradient effect. Now I'm just going back in with Mud, and I'm just going to build that up until I feel like it's dark enough. Because I didn't want like a super dark crease, but y'all know how I am about the grungy creases now. Now on a random ass TJ Maxx brush, I'm going to take the shade Jam. I'm going to take the shade Jam, and I'm going to pat that all over where I laid down the Mud shade, just to, I don't know, make it a little bit more brighter. I didn't want the look to be completely grungy, and it is pumpkin spice, so gotta add this spice. So once that's all diffused throughout the crease, I'm gonna go back in with that brush that had Mud on it, and I'm just gonna diffuse the two together. Make sure there are no harsh lines. That nice gradient going. And now I'm going in with a little bit more of Jam, just to keep the orange nice and popping throughout the crease. We don't want to lose that because the orange is the star of the look. As y'all can see, I just kept going back and forth between the same three brushes. So now I'm just going back in with that Mustard shade, adding that yellow back out there to the horizon. Dipping back into the Abh Contour Kit, I'm going to take that same shade Banana that I primed my lids with earlier, and now I'm going to cut my crease. Just take your time with this part. Sometimes carving out a crease could be a little difficult, but it's easier when you take your time. Now I'm going to take a small packer brush and take the shade Jam, and I'm going to pack that all over where I just cut my crease. And you see how she's popping? Yes, she's popping. Using that same brush, I'm going to smudge out the lower lash line. I'm just smoking out mud on top of that jam. And after I've done that, got it all smoked out, I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter liner. And I'm just going to line in between my crease and like the fatty folds. Hooded eye problems, y'all. Hooded eye problems. But yeah, y'all get the gist. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Fly, and I'm going to put that as an inner corner highlight, and then I'm also going to take that and cut out the tiniest sliver of a halo. For liner today, I'm just using an eyeliner pen by Ico. Dust yourself off and try again. For lashes, I'm using the Duo Glue, but while that dries, I'm gonna just go ahead and do lips. So I'm taking the NYX Suede Liner in Downtown Beauty, and I'm just lining my lips. Then I'm taking Saucy by Fenty Beauty. It's one of the Mademoiselles. And I'm going to place that in the middle. And then I'm going to take her Holiday Gloss Collection, Glossy Posse. And I'm going to use the shade Hot Chocolate. And this made the perfect lip combo for this look. Like the perfect burnt orange, spiced rum, ginger snap, just any fall themed look. That lip combo is the one. And these are just the Cherry Blossom lashes in the style 17. You already know. Now I'm going to set my face using the e.l.f. setting mist, and then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Mean Money and Hustler Baby highlighter. And I'm just going to put that everywhere I want to highlight. Brow bone, forehead, nose, all those good old areas. And I just realized Abdul's ass was standing back there like that on his phone the whole time. For those wondering, this is the M501 by Morphe that I'm using. Well, you guys, that sums up the look. If you want to get into my review on this palette, then keep on watching. Y'all saw I used the Venus 2 palette, and I really like the packaging. I'm all for the grunginess. So this is what it looks like. You get 8 colors, and it retails for $38, but I just got them on a sale for $19 because they were half off. So I used 5 colors: mustard, boots, mud, jam, and fly. So pretty much the whole bottom row and the yellow at the top. I would have to give this palette, from the colors I used today, I'm gonna have to give it about a 4 out of 5 stars, because some of them have a little kickback, but not too much. I don't really care for that, but if you do, then that may be a deal breaker for you. It's not even that bad with kickback. Like, my palette is still looking pretty clean after the first use. So I like the way the colors blend together. Very easy to blend, which is not that easy with pigmented shadows, because if they're very pigmented, sometimes the formula has to be a certain way, and these are very cohesive, so I like them. And I actually have another palette by Lime Crime. It's the Venus XL2, this one. But I haven't used this one yet, so I'll be making a look with this one as well. But the Venus 2 is the palette that drew me to the Lime Crime company. I had to copy it when I saw they were on sale because it was the one that I originally wanted in the first place. And just look at that, like, you can make so many different types of looks. Like, I hesitated so long to get this palette because I was like, well, maybe I'll only be able to like get a couple looks out of it, and I have these colors in a lot of my other palettes, the reds and the orange and the yellow, you know, the warm tones. But I watched a few reviews for it and I saw that you can pull a lot of different looks out of it, and I don't really have a color like this, the boot color, so that's a plus. I really like the pigeon tone too, even though I didn't use it today. I really like the pigeon color because it's like a brown, but it also has like cool blue reflex in it. And yeah, I'm just overall pleased with this palette. Like, sis delivered. I've read some reviews where some people were like, oh, the pigment is not, you know, like how they hype it up to be or whatever. But this look is very pigmented and I don't have any complaints about that. I will definitely be using this palette on my channel a lot because I really like the color assortment, especially people with my skin tone, because when I looked for reviews on this palette or whatever, there weren't too many women of color using or reviewing this palette. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Have no fear, Tammy J is here. All right, I'm gonna stop showing y'all this palette and go on about my day. I'll catch y'all in my next one. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my socials.